Men han havde ret mange problemer at kæmpe med. Alle de bygningsgrunde her, de bestod næsten udelukkende kun af vand og mudder, og derfor kunne det ikke sælges til nogen. Derfor måtte kongen give dem lidt gratis og love købmændene tryk og skattefrihed, hvis de flyttede herud og åbnede deres forretninger. Og siden dengang har Christianshavn været et meget livligt sted. We are sailing through the Christian's Harbour Canal, and Christianshavn was founded by King Christian IV in 1617. He had visited Amsterdam, and after that he wanted to create the same attractive market as he had seen it down there, also here in Copenhagen, but he had quite a lot of problems to fight with. All the building grounds consist merely of mud and water, that's why nobody wanted to buy them. The king had to give them building grounds away for free and promised the merchants 12 years of tax exemptions if they would move out here and open their shops.